Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Acquire Knowledge. So if you have not pressed the bell icon and the subscribe button, do press it to get the latest updates as I post any video. And don't forget to like the video. So let's start the topic. Topic is chapter 1, nutrition in plants. Nutrients, the components of food like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals are called nutrients. Nutrients help in living bodies their bodies to grow, to repair the damaged parts of the bodies, to provide energy to carry out life process. Nutrition, the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization in the body is called nutrition. Modes of nutrition, there are two main modes of nutrition in living organisms. They are autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic is a nutrition in which organism can prepare their own food. Heterotrophic is a nutrition which organisms get their food directly or indirectly from plants. Organisms which get their food directly or indirectly from plants are called heterotrophs. Photosynthesis, food making process in plants. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants prepare their food by using sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. Is obtained from the sun, water is obtained by the roots and transported to the leaves, carbon dioxide taken from the air through small pores in the leaves called stomata, chlorophyll are the given pigments in the leaves. Chlorophyll uses the energy from sunlight to prepare food by using water, carbon dioxide. The food prepared is carbohydrate, which is then converted into starch. During photosynthesis, oxygen is released. Equation of photosynthesis: carbon dioxide plus water, sunlight by chlorophyll equals to carbohydrate plus oxygen. Synthesis of proteins. The soil has some bacteria which convert nitrogen in the air into usable nitrogens in the soil. Farmers also add fertilizers containing nitrogen into salt. Plant absorb this nitrogen from the soil along with water and other constituents to prepare protein and fats. Other modes of nutrition in plants. Parasitic plants are plants which do not have chlorophyll and cannot prepare their own food. They get their food from other plants called host. Example, Cuscuta Amarel. Insectivorous plants are plants which feed on insects. Example, pitcher plant. The leaves of pitcher plant is modified into pitcher. The end of pitcher has a lid which opens and closes. When an insect enters the pitcher, the lid closes. The insect is digested by digestive juice inside the pitcher. Saprotrophs are plants which do not have chlorophyll and cannot prepare their own food. They get their food from dead and decaying organic matter. Example, mushroom, bread mold, etc. They produce digestive juices on the dead decaying organic matter and convert it into solutions when absorbing the nutrients from solution. Symbiotic relations. Some plants live together and share a shelter and nutrients. Lichens and alga and fungus live together. The fungus provides shelter, water and minerals to the alga. The alga provides foods to the fungus which prepares by photosynthesis. How nutrients are replenished in soil. Plants absorb nutrients on the soil, so nutrients in the soil decreases, so farmers add manure and fertilizers to the soil to increase the nutrients in the soil. The bacteria called rhizobium, which lives in the roots of leguminous plants like gram, pea and beans, etc., converts nitrogen from the air into soluble form in the soil and makes the soil rich in nitrogen. In return, the plants provides food and shelter in bacteria so that they have a symbiotic relationship. Activity 1. To show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis, take 2 spotted leaves from the same kind, keep one in the sunlight and other in a dark room for 2 to 3 days. Then take a leaf from both the plants and test for starch. Put the leaves in a test tube, pour some spirit in it and put the tube in the beaker containing water. Boil the water till the green color in the leaves comes out with a spirit. Take the leaves and wash it with water. Put the leaves in a dish and pour some iodine solution over it. The leaf of the plant kept sunlight turns blue-black. The leaf that kept in the dark room does not turn blue-black. This shows that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Activity 2. To observe the fungus bread mould in the bread. Take a piece of bread and moisten it with water. Leave it in a warm place for 2 to 3 days till fluffy patches appears on them. Observe these patches under a magnifying glass or a microscope. Cotton-like threads are seen in the bread. The cotton-like threads on the fungus are bread moulds. The bread moulds is a saprotroph. Saprotrophs get their foods from dead and decaying organic matter. So at last, this is the end of this video. Thank